we'll show you what's going on this week in the hangar. So, real quick, we got a flap for the Hollywood Bomber project. That's all been painted through the paint shop, paint booth, and all that stuff. It's all done. We've got a Stearman aileron standing up in the corner. That just got primed. In fact, we'll go over and look at that. That just got primed, and it's ready for fabric covering. So that's a quick turn job. So it's all had some sheet metal repair done. That's Randa plate green primer, which I kind of like, especially for period World War II type stuff. We always try to match the primer stuff. Wings. These are actually my Cub wings. One of them's complete, ready to go. The other one is in work. In fact, we'll go behind here, show you what we got going on. This is the other wing. It's going to go to color here soon. It gets worked on last. It's my stuff, so it gets worked on last. These two wings here, these are some Citabria wings. These are next up in the booth. In fact, we're doing some engine assembly, and then we're back on that project, get those going too. That's for an older one owner Citabria, pretty cool. Behind that, we've got some Cessna 120 wings. Those are going to be gone through, and then they, again, also full fabric on those. Wings are okay shape. They've got a little corrosion we've got to address, but short of that, they're going to be completely gone through. And one you don't see way over here is a Pete and Pole wing. We'll talk about that in a little bit. So that's a long-term project, but that's coming along. My 182, actually I'm doing some work on this, some antenna mounts and all that, but you'll see some more stuff on that. This is the Honey Badger, and we've got the tail off of it. You can see way back there, there's no tail on it, and that's because we're doing the it's the McFarland now STC for the hockey stick. We'll talk about that. In fact, we're going to be doing a video on that, and then we're also putting a tail slider on it too. So go back in here. Things you haven't seen in a long time is the Faux Fighter. Well, what's going on with the Faux Fighter? Faux Fighter is, again, it's a back burner project since the Hollywood Bomber came on board, but we're starting to work on it. I've taken one skin off the fuselage. We've got the fuselage supported back here, but we've got one skin off of the fuselage. The deal here is it's just nothing but hail, a lot of hail damage on the top. We've got the upper skin off. In fact, this was kind of crazy stuff you find. We were looking at the inside of this thing. Mind you, it's just been a storage locker for quite a while. But there's some damage down here. You can see, looks like dent, looks like somebody hit it and all that. Kind of interesting. I never noticed it when I was doing some, when I was stripping the some of the paint on. We haven't gotten to stripping that paint over there on that side. But it's full of Bondo, so that skin will eventually come out too. But again, you can see the aircraft is nice and shiny inside. Corrosion wise, it's in fabulous shape. So we're gonna start getting on that. We've got this skin off, and again, we'll kind of look at some stuff here. We've got it flattened out. We'll go through a full skin replacement on the next skin. This one here, not so much, but this is probably the most rubbish sheet metal job of putting for an ADF antenna mount, an old ADF antenna mount. They put doublers on, absolute rubbish workmanship. That kind of stuff, we're just going to make that go away. It's absolute crap. Cessna 170 project. This one's ongoing. This is a quick turn project here. Had some air-ground interface issues. Long story short, all new skins on the upper fuselage here, lower fuselage over here, lower skins, all brand new skins. This is all brand new skins around here. New tail fitting, new rear bulkhead. Everything's been taken apart, acid etch, iodine primed in the aft area. This is getting ready to get shot today. It's going to have the BAS pole handle put back into it, so that should be pretty sweet. And then it also had a new sideband put on. It looks kind of goofy with this plastic on, but that's going on. Upper skin here is in work right now. They're working on it. So that's the one with the windows, and we're going to be doing it. We've got to build a little tooling to make sure we route the windows and all that stuff. So we've got some of the pieces and parts over here. They're getting turned very quick. So the big thing is we don't want to crapify the place. Aircraft is actually in pretty good shape. It's a 170B. It's got the BAS pull handle. It's got the P-Ponk gear mod, Cleveland wheels and brakes, 3200 Cleveland, Scott tail wheel. It's got roller door latches. It's got a 172 baggage compartment. It's got shoulder harnesses, so it's actually going to be a pretty good airplane. If anyone's jonesing for a 170B, let us know. We might hook you up with the owner on that. Down here in the middle is my Pete and Pole project. That's a project that I started several years ago. Long story short, it went from it's been around a few owners and all that. Anyway, it's back to us. In fact, I'll see if I can walk back around this. You'll get a kick out of this. But you'll see, here's the wing again. We were fortunate to trip into this beautiful workmanship wing here. One piece, 29-foot wing. So that will be going on with the Pete and Pole news as it develops, but really kind of cool. This is going to be a fun project. This is going to be a real fun project. We're going to keep you on board with that. The hockey stick deal. If you want to see what a $3,000 crack looks like, let's see if I can reach around here. And right here is a $3,000. That's what a $3,000 crack looks like. So this part's going to be replaced per STC. We're going to do a dedicated video on it. So this is my airplane, the Honey Badger. So we're going to do that. We're also putting a tail slider on. Working with those folks. We're going to probably be doing a video on each one of those. So that should be kind of a fun thing. So that's going on. Sheet metal for the fuselage repair work. I'm going to work my way out of here. This is all just 170 parts. As soon as this thing's back up on its wheels, it'll be out of this dock, and we're going to bring the Tailorcraft into the dock. So that's going on. We've got Jake's 11AC Super Chief. This thing's been a hoot, absolute hoot. 65 horse. It's got vortex generators. We've been flying the heck out of this thing. So you'll probably see some air-to-air stuff, or some air-to-ground, or ground-to-air, or whatever. Some video of that thing. So we're going to put some camera mounts on it, but it's an absolute hoot to fly. You're looking at 3-4 gallons an hour. The absolute most fun you can have with avgas. So that's what's going on this week in Vintage Aircraft Service. Here's one of the skins. It's on lunch break. This is going to be the hard skin to make, but we've already got it pretty well knocked out. So it's going to be, you're going to see that going on here in the next week or so. So that's kind of cool. So that's all that's going on right now. We'll catch you guys later. HangaRatz, go fly yourself.